Extend a very, very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you very much for being with us on this occasion of Poila Boishakh. Poila Boishakh signifies the Indian New Year. It's the start of the Indian calendar in most parts of India. It's very popular and very auspicious occasion in the part of India which many of us come from, Bengal, the eastern part of India. And tonight we have a medley of events to celebrate the arrival of the new year. Namaskar, ICS এর পক্ষ থেকে উপস্থিত সবাইকে জানাই শুভ নববর্ষের শুভেচ্ছা। আমাদের আজকের এই অনুষ্ঠানে উপলক্ষ পয়লা বৈশাখ, কিন্তু লক্ষ্য হলো সবাইকে এক জায়গায় করা, সবাই মিলে স্বাদ নেওয়া আমাদের বাংলার কৃষ্টি আর সংস্কৃতির। আমরা সবাই বঙ্গসজল, সেই সুবাদে ইষ্টিকুটু সংস্কৃতির সঙ্গরসে আজকে হলাম কৃষ্টিকুটু। চলুন সবাই মিলে উপভোগ করি আজকের সন্ধ্যাটা। I'd now like to invite the dignitaries of this evening's occasion, Mayor of Cambridge, Councillor Jerry Burke, and our Councillor, Vicky Sanders, to please come on stage and light the inaugural lamp. Could I also request the President of the ICS, Dr. Julius Lipner, Mrs. Anandita Lipner, and Dr. Aruma Chaudhary to also accompany the dignitaries. Okay. So this is a tradition that marks the beginning of any auspicious occasion. We have sort of the inauguration of the lamp. Can we have the lighter, please? There used to be one here. I have sighted it. There must be. There you go. Big hand, please. The inauguration of Poila Boishakh. And a small token on behalf of the ICS. Thank you very much for gracing this occasion. Could I now request the President of the ICS to come on stage and say a few words on behalf of all of us, please?